the Tioni is to chick the channel to us to the ne sit take it last to Tioni Nalone. Tambo de Mashugo this way. Must lobson to the company which lobson did not need you knew the Imbana, do not tambo the Mistarochi. I cache and Jack Goni Tishiakido. Chandin Bonnet, and at the Tizus time, the Tizukango, a Toko to Jarlag me de Inea, Tizik Kangidea, my Zilikiwat Label desk and a Tido. I know that Tishiki Hana, Kerado and Mangwatch, Tokumoto, Tiku, the Abucher Chunso, and Toku, the character Tiku de. That in a comes up gone to be, met near Ringa that you got to be, I didn't 6 knowledge. The statement got him another 7 times the number added to 5 is equal to 33 or is 33 or makes 33 liters or gives 33 liters. When we add 7 times the number by 5, we get 33 liters. Right? Okay. That is solve $2 and 33 solve $2. You don't make it ring out to the ring out to the bar, not on any will self. And will $2 and then do you allow 7 and bar. The Tawakare, 5 to come out sort. The step ring of the car, come out sort, $1 must integer sign this amount. Plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Merson, Tomasella, Merces, 0 says lower. Tanga Tawakare, plus 5 do, come out sailor. Mercella 7 and plus 5. Tawakare, but tell Mercy. The wing pen is equal to go to Nuna, Pojidele New Tower. 33 minus 5. Nigala, so Nigala, Nanga Newton. Tell 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 0 to Guayama, shake my carton, we get 7 and is equal to that's some sort of Nanga, we get 28. Oh, and in the Dula, you subget the anti Kazera, that doing the coffee doing out. 7 and do you give a step chill they chicksella and chick will sell nigger doing to watch. Cut, we get n is equal to 4. That is step ring. The transpose Pejitana, you get 7 n plus 5 is equal to 33. Or transpose number step dinner was there some down there. So they plus na parkes na minus check realized 7 n is equal to 33. Or plus opposite minus 5. Or I did you there. Dele saw. Timothy Dele order. Then I shake it to me, Della 7 and 2 details did or did 2 more some downward. Which is equal to 7 and is equal to 28. The Ella multiplies Parkina, divide chill and the net Dele some downward. Step Della. Nigger doing the 2 more some money. See the n. And la send multiplication opposite division race. So the answer and you wish did this steps the mouse over there. And is equal to 4. Oh, delicious. That you knew the cartoon. This is take like page 2 edition. It is 5z plus 1 divided by is equal to Kazudo. Is equal to 7. 0 3 is equal to 7. Okay. Okay, that did it. To it. Or the Kazan to your mark, they came between Chin. Ra. That day in the 5 z 3 nigala, 1 nigala, 3 duachilo. The expression de la sort the color near. Damn it, dude. Saying the nigger door, made the need or made the need. This is like Karagi, Kari Lela, Depish, Tamoch. To that, I'm with the car 5 z upon 3. To that is fraction about 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 dusana must do 1 plus 3 or 2 did you do square. That was the day power. Plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 7 those power. 5 z upon 3. That the third part transpose. 7 minus 1 upon 3. That denominator 1 is the denominator means about denominator. So denominator LCM 3 you multiply by 3, you multiply by 3. You multiply by 1, you multiply by 1. So, na then it landed in 5z upon 3 is equal to 21 minus 1 upon denominator 3. So, 5z is equal to upon 3 is equal to 20 upon 3. There are there. That z la 3 divide to division parking in the 5z is equal to 20 divided by 3 or division parking multiply the cut in the galley. Or 3 1 3 3 1 3 cut 5z is equal to 20. Therefore, z is equal to, they multiply to multiplication opposite division. Z is equal to 4. That's the reward. Now, the fraction to make the connected. So, the equation solves the cotton lela young department 5z plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 7. The 5z plus 1 la 3 the common denominator. Common denominator. They divide the pagina multiply. So, 5z plus 1 is equal to 7 multiplied by 3. Common denominator. Denominator low na the common denominator. Niga Taguza Tamudimiaso. So, 5z on z those 2. 2 rows plus 1 is equal to 21. Equation bed letter change 5z is equal to 21. The plus pagina minus 1. 5z is equal to 20 and z is equal to 20 divided by 5. And z is equal to 4. So, the case of the method neater. Chick page common denominator correct. Chick to stimulate. And this time dollar are fraction to make test test card. The day the body in Tamil fraction mercella denominator common division opposite multiplication per mercella and denominator. The go with some integers chart. Integers is not solved the Lela root. Or this way. That thing the Bolang of the test Martin take out my motor that the what the pose the manner of mutin dash and dish. Right, love the tropic Ashela to the Gavacha to test Calacard Royal. Shake what the Bagawanid. The linear class 8 love digit stress on cross multiplication jar. Cross multiplication Bajamadala, simple equation to that. Okay. The Tanabodong as the Jangu day, the Angdimba Angini. The next will stress on ratio. The big continuation check, I will give out to you. The ratio never compare. The pension ratio did not change. The sum of two numbers is 55 and the ratio is 3:5. And find them. What's that on 1 year? Check current ratio la color summer. Among a ratio of Tishina. Ratio pay and dura. Dura color summer. A pension you do na. Tick time I tell us time tick dustina. Oh, this is the mountain. Yeah. Oh, this thing. That was ratio color awesome. The current chick comes out. Chash Nabogi Maul driller. Kunipa ratio has the ratio has the dress. Durkazude. As in Tuba Jansara or the ratio part to part list. Chick Karna or Nabudigi or the Kanza into the Nakasoli des love. They find the ratio boys in the class to the class strength. The Puda, the Nepu, ratio part to the whole later. They need the ratio boys and ratio girls in the class, part in the part. Then now put the Pumik ratio to Chick, then now look Puda, Zinaganza, Zina Pumuda, Zinaganza, part to whole later. Chick, Zinaganza da Puda, whole to part lower. Ratio color some part to part. Okay, Chashi to this. Oh, Chashigi Ganzala. Ganzagi part to this. Okay, this two here. The ratio 3:5 and guessing a linear equation collect Kizuki unitary method pitch down, ratio pitch down due. They get into watch out, ratio. 3:5, they are doing it to do that. Okay, now the sum of two numbers is 35 and their ratio is 3:5. 3:5. Okay. They need to put 3 in one allowed. They need to put 5 allowed. Gangza chick ni som si nga to get Gangza chick to get out. 너무 계단에 차시 솜날 찍을 차시 솜날 찍이 솜에서 찍을 차시가 찍이 솜시가 차시 솜제 찍을 차시가 도슬 찍이 솜 찍체 라 찍이 솜시가 차시 그 3:5 도슬 돼 걔는 너무 가서다 걔는 너무 계도아 너만에 트롤 파크 가서래 8이었어 제가 리니 그 심마시나 저디 가르스토나 당부 파트 당부는 3/8 너무 part 2 whole 되게 안서 가더래나 아니 오케이 dumbu가 되더래 55 오케이 다디 간트 가서 세스 part 2 whole 봐 다디 concept 디 나서 topic linear equation 봐 linear equation topic 대 도면다 다들 fraction 레도 돼 저등에 테스트 되게 fraction 되는 게 합니다 오케이 first part 간도 가져네 number tang de bane ye number the lowest ratio de ba khaten lowest form তেওঁ okay agi khazme sing mari ke ke dusna 3/4 dustena kot nare 3:4 the ratio de ba 3/4 equivalent kare 30/40 is it ra okay 12/16 is it to sama kare delena 12/16 la 12 divided by 4 16 divided by 4 this later then 3/4 30 divided by 10 40 divided by 10 or 10 this later so the concept par common factor the khari divide ching me hago ma de ratio 3/4 so common factor khari divide ching me sing me za common factor the x chan divide so the answer is a fraction di you need to show sum of two numbers let two numbers ratio ba ratio is 3:5 te do shike ratio ne let be 3x and 5x or 3a and 5a the common factor di khari me sing me za common factor x me cha sha la da konsun이 넘나 가서래 돼 맞중 하래 dos 3x plus 5x is equal to 55 so x nga kala x sum di tunda kha 3x di tunda kala x chik x ni x sum dom go resla 5x di tunda yang kala x chik x ni x sum x chi x nga dom go res the total x 가서 dom des na nga two din ge so get 8x je dordi kare you add the coefficients dom 5 plus 3 8 kare 8 re x 8 res 55 therefore x is equal to 55/8 the parts sum find number therefore two numbers are 3x ala did you 55/8 and 5x ala you multiply 55/8 okay you multiply cut lowest cut time you multiply we get 165/x8 right 15 and you multiply you get 275/8 okay this is number need the fraction is okay the then h constant right h constant h ni ma tu da okay 당에 저 된 last 게 듣기로 네 듣기로 somgi is 3 years younger than yiga the ages are in ratio 5:6 다 가서 니나 로 치면은 somgi di yiga le lo somgi shambare chunga re la shambare ma chunga re ra ngazi assumption dikina equation disogo ra guessing azigi what equation subamna ngazi gaandila equation so what assumption chigo the what assumption the now ratio na lo subject starting meza ni 당고 ratio na assumption ni ya ga duda ta concept bu ching ate ratio ten shike common factor x a b c 를 가리 내 디다 그다음에 되어되나 되어되나로네 담은게라 이 ratio 기준은 5:6 더데 ratio 오케이 대박이죠 ratio 점기 총하자 오케이 점기 let h b and 이gas y it the y I to do dinalla y I do yeah 이가 H6요. 그래. 오케이. 다 당부디 좀긴게래자 좀기다 이가 좀기디 5래 이가 디 6 레쇼 민가링년에 가도 필요하다. 그래서 좀기 5x 기나 이가 6x killar. That the equations delela죠. Zomgi is 3 years younger than Yigalar. 제가 Zomgi di Yigale 찍었어요. Yigalole 로스무 용아래서 10. 야만 Zomgi plus 3 is 우리 Yiga 텐데. 야만 Yiga minus 3 is 우리 Zomgi. 오케이. 다 되는다. Zomgi 하다 5x is equal to Yiga 6x minus 3. 당하대 x2 될 x2 x 한번 초치를 끼긴다. 5x. The plus again minus 6x is equal to negative 3. So negative x equals to negative 3. Cut. So x is equal to 3. x3라서 다 이 점기 넣어더래. Therefore 점기 넣어더래. 5x. x will 들어서 5 multiplied by 3. 15. Yes. Yeah. 이가 6 to the 6 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 18. So the next two should be. That the ratio change ratio next ratio contribution to that. The ratio coral topic mangwar class 8 topic mangwar. The knowledge man. So ratio to the money topic dollar and pension. Okay. So that ratio mounting tamung the march in service and ratio chimana. Tana jungle that did it. Brown type the two numbers are in ratio 5:3 if their difference is if they differ by 18. I get to an example stuff ratio. Part of the part are some part some not just some Angitambo chair and chung the part of ratio test na let Come Freddy variable shall song 5 Asia next 3 Asia and Shenda and a sentence chick tidura sentence mammo tedang kalakabu pair. Okay. That the card if they difference kewa the job get dollar agi chedi chairs chungade chungareslar right chung kazu chungane chungade job geres jada kuni para kewa the job gereslar. The larger number minus smaller number is equal to 18 like that. Tanga yi logan yi tilba two variable chart. Tanga class 11 is 8 like one variable is a one variable. Tanga gi larger number 5a small number 3a chart. So 5a minus 3a is equal to 18. You subtract a ngane a sum ma 10 la. Ta a ga so la a ni la so ni is equal to 18. Okay, that's the dividing 18 divided by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 9. That number is a larger number. Therefore, two numbers are taken a larger number. Is equal to 5 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 45. A small number is equal to 3 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 27. Then answer due to me that 10개다 10개네 인섭이 맞텐다 10장하라고 다 10장은 인섭이 맞대 즉 정안에 둔데나 개 즉 따다라고도 하네 difference it differ by 18 코니 바 개와디 접게 요와디 number system 나 ratio다 다 ratio change 하면 두 ratio 디 아니 geometry 망고치가 되올래 두 geometrical part 망고치라 라 전데 이제 뭐 담응에 triangle 치나 triangle 같이 말하는 example 얘들나 each angle. 그래서 triangle concept 가려고 그래. 띠아부 시행을 다 triangle angle 좀 더 가질 얘기래. 띠다 못 시행을. 아, 저기 겨와 시기라 든 뭐잖아. 든 뭐이나 저기 시행마시 하고 막 하여튼 두 번 시우 triangle 걸 things of made. Okay, triangle now angle sum the and x degree, 3x degree, and 4x degree in Bashashala. In Baina, and angle measurement, angle rate measurement says. When chasing a triangle to okay, the x, okay, 3x, and 4x rays are there. The triangle radic value says angle A, B, C, or the three angles are shared today. Angle do some domna lead dollar. Triangle angle sum domna lead. Angle sum probably triangle is sum of three interior angle equals to 180 degree. Right? The angle now sum domina get the casual degree like this. Okay, that is shadow. No. Chendiba x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180. That degree some degree degree thing in that. Angle sum property of triangle. Right? That's in angle sum of triangle. Triangle na angle sum domna get the casual degree. The x sum the x chigala sum dom c gala c dom. Right? And in lela you want the dick naso. There's C gap lela. Yeah. Okay, nothing that. Right. So you get 9x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 divided by 9. X is equal to 20. Find the measurement of each angle. Angle ratio, therefore, three angles are. R and x of 20 degree. Next, 3 multiplied by 20, which is 60 degree. And next, 5 multiplied by 20, which is 100 degree. Okay. Then you answer do the dim into angles on dom. Dom get the gauge out, get the gauge out of the The angles and probability ideally not the ratio tend to go the ratio. The angles of three angles of triangle are in the ratio 2:3:5. Find the measurement of each angle. The ratio the second also conflict the a variable thing you are. I did you work in there. Check it, ratio kina. Let three angles BT and ratio you 2:3 the ratio 2:3:5 in the 2x 3x and 5x. That must say the angles sum domna hazard is equal to 180 degree. And the machine set to Matumenda. Rather ratio didn't work. The quarter little doing a lead. This is angle check, angle knee, angle sum, angle sheet domna has a lead. Angle sheet domna is equal to 360 degree. I say the four angles the angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. Therefore, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Domna at 360 degree. I'm going to shake my throat. Then it was the H layer to the tomato. H drinking there is going to give donor shoot H the perimeter that the donor shoot. Okay, so the H to the body. Sering is 14 years older than Doji. Some of the ages is 47, so 74. What are the ages now? The course is some present age hours. I think the bullet to the give all the escalator and one which is about the give the lemur. So now let Mango to the Calacaro. Shake him up of Sering. Sering check as a bacodo. That Doji to today. Oh, do those soon. Present in a cousin dated present, past, and future. Ago, later, later, or cheaper. But that the two comes up present shower. Sering is 14 years younger than Dojin, but Sering de Dojile, Lochipshigi. Shembaris, Yaman Chunga Resba. Mazu word from the bunny, Mazu Tomzil Lela, the Tensile Tomzil Lela. The Lela uses the body, Mazunga Tomzilla Bosch. Mazu gets the Tomzil Lela. The word from the Katine Chunga Ezumchi. I checked Domboju. Chatana Sering is 14 years younger than Dojinba, Sering Chunga, 3 lo x the 3 present number 3x 나 다 도지 가서 쳐야 됐어. 도지 x plus 14 쳐야 됐어. Sum of the ages 얼마? 다 본인이 너 너무 나서. 도지 3 너무 나. 든든 쳐야 됐어. Sum x plus 14 is equal to 34. So we get 2x. X plus x, 2x plus 14 equals to 74. So 2x is equal to 74, okay, minus 14. Therefore, 2x is equal to, you subtract, we get 60. Really? Therefore, x is equal to 60 divided by 2. That's what we're doing. That's x, that's it. Therefore, string is equal to x of 30 years old, right? And logi is equal to 30 plus 14, which is equal to 44 years. Right? The age go to another. That is much putting it. Subway is 5 times as old as some of the ages is like the string is 5 years more than 22 age to that symbol. You stress it, you want to do what awesome. That to give you 1 month putting it. 1 month. That then it. 이게 H기 깔레카우 준다. 디지랑 두 베르미를 수법이. 자, H기 깔레카우 줘. 까마지 꼬아 까마지. 그래서 답이 통하려. 오케이. 다음은 H from 깔레카우 줘. H from 깔레카우 줘라. 다음은 this basic test 줘. 나. 테크닉 test 줘서는 안 되지나 봐 보면 파시게 된다. 오케이. 다 H 소소 삼다. 소소 단다 소소 로카스 이만နေတာ. 5 years ago. Okay, so look, how's the check though? This is something like that. Right? That is 5 years later. Okay, long as 제가 가서 check though, this is something like that. 단다 low by. 단다 계속 low 쪽수면 뭐 check인다. 계속 low 쪽수면나? long as 얘가 가서 check 그래. 쪽수면네. 아마 땡기라. 이게 8. long as 얘라서. long as 제가 가서 check 돼. right, you don't need to. 4쟁, 242, 243, 244, 242, 두라, you don't need to. 자, 내는 봐. 단단로 조금, 조금 가라. 나도 그라. 다음에는 이게 로접게 작도스. 롱아 제라케라 로접게. 롱아 녀라케라. 로게 가르쳤어요. 단단로네 롱아 마텐서. 로접게 가르치대. 단단로 가라. 롱아 동그다 5 years later 된 봐. 지금 지게. 다 계속해라 로더네. 마시죠. 어떤 예 로직인다. 녀로 계속 망고 신고 말. 제가 녀로 신면서 녀로 엔셔 갤라스로. 갤라스 H라. 녀로 신면서 다 애니멀에 다 롱강이라 가듯이도. 롱에 지구적인 그 계속 단달로 가서 뭐 디신 봐. 지구적인 대법. 갤라 단달로 가서도 엔도 어디니? 아마테. 5 years later나 갤라로 단다 가서도 엔도 엔가라 나도 캐럴로 단다 쪽수미나 쪽수 나도 거 아이디 찍고 찍게 한다. 다 니키네 다시 니스도 워드번 파도. 오케이. Balance age is 3 times. 당부 디오디나로 디오아도 디방에 치면나. 직 니 솜 그디제 레쇼가 더 로하시디 제무솜다 솜 나오네 더직 난게인다 라 켄지게 디디 이퀘션을 법토고 됐다 법단다 안디 니 와드 더섬다 Paula's age is 3 times his son's age. Paula pugudo. Okay. Paula pugu인자. 이게 되지. 저것도 된디 two variable colony is a maroni the problem neither, power the pony the gochina, the soft lela two variables in the gochual. And another one variable in the money, test soft car. No problems. Can I those patente? Okay. Sun. Pala. The thing that. Okay. Check those things. Okay. The Kaduni came out the present, past, and future chat. Past card, present card. Pala is 3 times his son's age. Rather than the Bugolo Shungora, Chunga is in and Pal Shendur. Shang also got times near the fraction later. Kagashi son is 1/3 of father's age. I was fraction the color card. The Gujulo as some. Gente Pala's age is 3 times his son's age 10 years ago. Like some Madame. Tama de Samata. Tanda Pala de Pugule, no Dapsum Urella, Dapsum Maya Lomar. Pulo Kazuni did Dapsum Urella. Pulo Joanna Palo John Shipshanachar. Ratrim Pulo Nishina, Palo Tujichadura, 23 times 60. Pulo China, Palo Sumjichadura, or the Pala is 3 times son's age. The Pulo Shimeza, a Pulo Exenda. Tapala the Kazachadura. Pala de 3 manipulachira, 3 manipulation, 3x. That's some 3 times than but this water. That is sentence new. 10 years ago, let you go last. Oh, that is. Ago later. 10 years ago, let you last. Let you get that, Paladi, Pudi, let you Mara, let you Nungar. 10 years ago, let you Nungar, you don't choose or share all the you don't use it. Let you Chunga, Tandalo extra x ne 10 Martin. Paldi Tandalo 3 extra. Then you might 2 Martins left. Take it to lot you. Long ending a present Asian Martingua n minus 5, longer gel n plus 5 to so. Or that Delena, this my lot you in the bar, near Juju Martin. Lot you in bar. Okay. That devil the lesser, that delation is equation says something. Lot you near la. Father is Katsto. 5 times the son's age. Pala dealer. Linear equations are equations or son's age level. Power the Pugudig Lole, Tapnag Chereller, Tapnaires, La Pugulol, Tapnaires. Father is 5 times son's age. The longer nig Lotista, Lutung, so Lotung need. Power dera 3x minus 10. Pugudi 5 times 30 and Pugulo 10 years ago. X minus 10 that is. Okay, that equation solves. 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 50. That x how much to gain that? That is the gain that. Minus again plus on that. So get negative 2x is equal to negative 40. X is equal to negative 40 divided by negative 2. Cut with x is equal to 20. Okay, x 20. So long issue. Son. Therefore, son's present age. The present age is 20. The power has said present age is equal to 3x 3x minus 3 multiplied by x of the 20. 60 power law took you put the law issue. The law did the long angel has that. Lochungela, put the Lochungela today, you should need 2 mate. Chucha part and the law took you to 2 matana. The 10 Kazuki 50 day. 10 5 is 50. Or just 5 times the son's age. Like later. Okay, that can give to new the debit charge that. Debit letter to that. Amla and Dorothy. To new debit letter to that. You come to show. The debit lenka. So to my debit letter. 오케이. 나 태워서 오라. 이제 봐 드스타 요 말. 그게 계속 지금 있다. 오케이. 다들 나가서 daughter and 아마도. 오케이. 아마. 부모팅이다. daughter. 부모 아마. 계속 걸레라죠. 부모 아마나. right? Okay, Amma is 4 times as old as her daughter. 4 times. 답시요레스 라. 수로 답시요레스 아마디 고란 범물레 답시요레스. 범물로 쭈이나 바로 십시체레스. 범물로 nga이나 아마서 아마로 니시체레스. 범물로 쫑아이나 아마로 두시체레스. 다 4 만들어 지도 4 times 4 times 봐. 지난 가서 또 범물이 present 신고 말아. 저 present y 신다. 나? 다 범물로 쭈인데 봐. 10나 4 tens are 40 lido or 10 4 만들어 지다. 지금 지금 되는 말이지. 4y this 만들어 지래. That's it. After 10 years, after 5 years, they drama, I go drama, past drama. The letters. Right. Letter longa jelala. Longa jel 니가 제일 두고 중두도. 아주 삼단 소 삼단 longa jel가 검서. 다나가 전에 개원 longa jel가 전에 거리래. 라. 다나가 전 두고 있는 longa jel가 전에 거리도. 디 삼단다. 인도 봐. longa jel라 코털 두도 망두도. 지나 why? 가서 망두대. 나이 망두도. 오케이. 다 지고 지금 될 아멜로 단다 드렸어. 아마 롱아기 망두었어. 당아 롱아기 인백 값소 comparison detailed 돌대. 롱아 젤들 아말라 will be 3 times as old as told 봐. 아말라 가지나 아마디 보물로 답숨 당겨도 찍고 차기래라. 보물로 답숨 당으스나 아멜로 찍고 차기도 없어. equal to sign 찍송으로 찍고 책도 송다 송봐 오케이 다음에 로가래 4y plus 5 is equal to 3 대샤 아니 y plus 5 다 네버들 레슨 늘만 얻어서 지도라 백을 뭉치니 4y plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 3 5 15 안 되면 써지 라 안 되면 계속 안서 말래 줘 다디 age 다 age 라 먼저 되었거든 말이 되었거든 말아 즉 present 즉 붙이 되었거다 즉 past present 이거는 그 다들 전에 개월다 past present 이거 present 즉 보고 저게 망치던데 말. 다 되었거든 숨어도 갈 먼저 age 나 rational age 그 거. 제 ratio 가장 등에 스트레스다 교수 직들 아 든든 뭐 개월 라 ratio 배제 숙청 봐. 오케이, 다 ratio 치면은 가르돼. 디나우 치면은. 디워직 ratio 디워들. 오케이, 디워니데도 아니. ratio 찍게 써주고 니워드 계속 트라이치아. 라. 오케이. The age of Dawa and Nima are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years hence, the ratio of the ages will be 9:7. Find the present age. 오케이, 다 다와다 니마로. 다와다 니마 오케이 다와 니마 시험에서 let a present age of a 다와 be x 니마 be x that y that t and should therefore 5 years later 10 years later then 뭔가 티잖아 아주 깔래 가도 지난 시계 도스 봐 되게 시도스 present past future 야마나 ago later t 라 present that then hint on 같은 present and self 단다가도 the ages of Dawa and Nima are in the ratio 7:5 the ratio 값 같은 confident 값 두고 있다 confident 마 x til서 or y variable t's 제가 Dawa and Nima 봐 Dawa 로드 니나 Nima 로 ngarelar 그 구실로야 말 민 구실로야 말 구실로야 말 카톡 거들어 니디 안기니얼샤 제마 민디 안기 제마 샤오다 이는 말이 Dawa 7 ratio or 7:5 the Dawa and Nima. So Dawa present age action actions 5. That's Tony. Katuakardo 10 years hence. The Lochu jealous. 10 years hence. Lochu jealous. Lochu jealous. Lochu chedura. Niga chedura. 로추 젤라 파지 나 대기 메가 로추 젤라 아 깨마 경고 쳐 개회치 되라 로추 젤 저는 로추 젤라스 로추 파르게 자 두스티데 5x plus 10 that ratio is there ratio lo the those 10 degree or you can write 7/5 chiku jinga ratio de ta ko lowest term te me ba ma dine pa bode fractional option dir 제가 positive ratio fraction te do de 9:7 또 코니 로추 젤라 코니 그 ratio 누르에나 누르도 가서나 9:7 래라 제가 다웨기 로 7x plus 10 and 니멜로데 5x plus 10 is equal to 9:7 래라 돼 9:7 that deep part thing also the part de common denominator cross multiply chila so cross multiplication che the denominator ge ya multiply chi the part multiply de je 7 ki dinni ga juda tell jur 9 ge 5x plus 10 la jur okay that denominator me cha so denominator cha ba big mu chi 7 7 49 x plus 70 is equal to 45x plus 90. That x shows you. 49x minus 45x is equal to 90 minus 70. You subtract, we get 4x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 divided by 4. X is equal to 5. Or x 5 out there. Confident 5 out. You can confident nga towards here. That then simba therefore present age is equal to 7. 7 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 35. Right? Nima's age present age is equal to 5x. 5 multiplied by 5. The ratio is 35 upon 25. Confident you got 5 questions, 5 7 35, 5 5 75. Think you take your answer there. So they want to draw my image. Then do it later. Ratio is level of the Kizigi, ratio new tries that. The present age of Anu and Raju are in the ratio 4:5. Another ratio the 4:5 race. So the 4x again, so the 5x again. This amount 8 years from now, Tandane logegi jealous. Past to future to this amount logegi mount to logegi new from now Tandane logegi love. The ratio of the ages will be 5:6. 얘들 써보지 수시 봐라 계속 티아 수시 보라 새로 말해 라 미시면 땅에는 거 사기라 수시 보리 때가 디기도 디기면 되다 디기도나 어스 디바였다 앙지 봐 오케이 야 다 되어 sama future chasanya de. Okay, got it. Present age of Anu and Raju. Raju. Okay, got it. Present, past, present, and future. Those teaching da. Okay, got it. Present age of Anu and Raju are in the ratio 4:5. You know, confirm the equation series. Present Anu 4 in a Raju 5 relay. So the common factor the A shana in the A shana. Okay, 4A and 5A. 8 years later from now, Tandane 8 years after 8 years from now, Tandane lo guess Laura 8 years. Lo guess check to 4A plus 8, then 5A plus 8. Lo guess check to those. The cousin ratio lo guess J ratio need current and 5:6 liters. 4A plus 8 upon 5a plus 8 is equal to 5 upon 6 लिख दो okay that is cross multiplication class 8 cross multiplication do that that 6 dige you multiply the both terms then you multiply to 5 6 dimension 6 between the 4a plus 8 element which is 5 ge 5a plus 8 element which is so you get 24a plus 48 25a plus 40 then you must solve changing ra you must solve changing da ra class 8 la okay the ratio distance the fraction to the tower fraction number ration number 22 tower jange de ma tu da ration numbers the ration number dollar or fraction and ration numbers okay fraction la ba positive le yamba numerator positive rational number to the fraction and to go so rational number test na it can be negative rational number or positive rational numbers when you talk about fraction na it is always positive rational numbers da fraction ba gantu mani jara chashi le ba chashi de gangsa 통해 여기 chashi charu da so din ba ne positive rational numbers okay that your rational number the fraction could na fraction is part of rational number in the bottom rational number stretching da now this number general rational number a number in the form of p upon q where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers right okay so the number de la rational number la colonials numerator and okay denominator ni do okay the constant relationship then h la pa pu jo aja a the b sitting doji mongo shi do ni do the ji bu jing the rational number la numerator and denominator shi da the numerator that denominator kunni bar kewa ji shi re an de ja ang sa kar tong bo de to ba na nga rational number sa kar le de the dio ning do da de la okay the rational number to na rational number din Allah to do to ba 직 니 솜도 두 솜나는 중다 두 솜나는 게 직 섭죠 아직 근데 제도 오케이 당연 당보지나 the denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 8 봐 갈아 그렇지 numerator 채도 denominator 채도에서 내가 저거 가도 denominator of a rational number the of a rational number 수다 the denominator is greater than its numerator by 8 okay denominator numerator의 채도 가족 채도 계기 채도 그렇죠 모두 numerator 중요하다 시계 두스기네 numerator and denominator let numerator be x 중에 x나 denominator 아니 망았 봐봐 쟤는 x plus 8 야무나 numerator and denominator denominator 에즈미시나 x나 numerator 가래 x minus 8 찍어 가르치는 키워요 말 되라 equal to there da there that digital is chisa that algebra expression rational expression din allola arsin is that kare instruction karte de demand da okay 진행해 돼 봐보나 numerator denominator by delesa okay that means if the numerator is increased by 17 increase mountain ba minus la domain and denominator is decreased by 1 new dominance denominator is decreased by 1 change so ang godansa nga kharana decreased by 1 the number obtained ang kharana number is 3 upon 2 obtained number obtained is samagare is equal to which is equal to 3 upon 2 chairs okay that x plus 17 and x plus 7 is equal to 3 upon 2. Then that 2 dinga jurura 2x plus 34. 3x plus 21. Oh, that variable position 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 plus minus 34. So negative x is equal to you subtract we get negative 13. I'm check sign tira. Okay, negative cut. So x is equal to 13. X 13 out there. The x 13 number, therefore the fraction is, or the rational number is, yes, numerator is like 13 sharp, or denominator 13 plus 8, 21. There out there. Then you method division and do go there. And it's chess, things change and kill your mark. The method division is like the thing that x, the next garuta. Okay, then x minus 8 upon x is equal to 3 upon 2. The 2 the near is called the instruction you have instruction Martin to the okay. Numerator increased by 17 and denominator decreased by 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. Also x plus you subtract 9 and x minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. The 2 da. Okay. Now you cross multiply. We get 2x plus 18 is equal to this is normal sign. Okay. 3x minus 3. The x is again 2x minus 3x is equal to 3. And minus 18. So negative x is equal to negative 21. Negative cut x is equal to 21. The x got denominator 21 real out. Numerator consider 21 minus 8 which is equal to 13. So therefore 13 upon 21. So the answer consists of any curve in the length equal to the okay. Rational number day instruction yang pun yang tu na lelar rational number nalo. Cuma na. The rational number 2 kalau sum doa 그래서 통과. di tu aje. Ta deni again next fraction do. Fraction do. Very minute. Okay. Cycle distance. Okay, that was come now to say the part it touch with that. Concept dimension the by test lead the 20 to okay. The rectangle field cut to the money was formula shing in the concept is that rectangle dinena a rectangle that changes to to do that rectangle to chamajamate or rectangle or the nipa length layer del breadth the length layer del breadth perimeter ba 타고는 이제 벽에 좀 빼고 타고는 뜻은 total length of the boundary the nipa ring length chick plus breadth the bishop capitalist plus length plus breadth all the concept is done to go there each from another jumar 2 bracket l plus b 2l plus 2b like the tomar use pen me pin ba division test lower na tang it to the concept is done in the the length of rectangular field is thrice its width. That other rectangular length dimension you measure much. Keep the cuboid in the dimension some charur. Cuboid na length, breadth, and height in the dimension some charura. Then now the rectangle measurement bang it rectangle to string. Rumuti, shake rumuti, the length, the breadth, the length, the breadth. The skis on it. Okay, length of rectangular field is thrice its width. Length the rectangle width le dabsum yurelar dit width tungares length ringares dabsum ringares la dabsum ringares ma je de width kasu shingmeza ma x na length kasu re 3x charura de 3x de la x a rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel bingan to bojare ngawa jare tumba jare ba ko ke mar rectangle ta dig tagorum je kasu if the perimeter is 55 unit find the length and width of a rectangle. Length and width rectangle test. So the perimeter is 56 unit. Unit carrying out meter hour, centimeter, inch, feet hour. Or unit number. That perimeter are toggle some of them. You didn't about starting 3x plus x plus 3x plus ma x. Domina ma toggle in the child. Okay, we get 56. The x in the dom, some got chick them she got a some dom, doing a chick them get 8x is equal to 56. X manipulation fucking do a chira, Okay, 8 x is equal to 8 7 56 7 unit right there. 당한 length 가지래. Length is equal to 3 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 21 unit. Breadth 가지래. X, right? X is 7 unit. 나한테 rectangle 선한테. 오케이. 제가 다른 얘기 토픽 들을 겨울 가르쳤나? 당한테 디지트 페이지에 사서 말해. 제가 디지트이 디지트 2 웨이브들을 고쳐 정도 돼서 레라 차도요. 오케이. 제가 나와서 장게데 age number system 같이 말해. age number ratio 처럼 또 ratio 같은 것도 configur라. x 샤 or variable a b variable 샤라. 제가 ratio로 치니 맞아 age 처럼 짜오. 라. 근데 맞아 ratio 치니 number value 처럼 짜오다. 근데 ratio 치니 맞아 numerator ratio number 처럼 짜오. Okay, that then also age ke fathers 5 years, 10 years ago did just down. Okay, that then did related kine the rectangles. That guessing a area cell to the for example, find area na. The rectangle did rasa length breadth rasa an area. Therefore area is length multiplied by breadth. I shall get you 21 multiplied by 7. Multiply we get 147 unit square or square unit. This part should unit coordinate is square tangra. Okay. This was the shaggy. Right? Class 8. I just topic that what problem they say you must say me the number to do. Then but never doing a topic seeing us sit at diesel power chair. And because you do it and tongue to it on the net and watching the new because somebody try to get you. Mashina Malakadu deviation to watch. Wrong Facebook that one Kadu deviation. 인터넷에 얘기지. 라. 안 모든 장로 지수에 인디 트로피스 가고 누나 제마들라. 아들 좀 개원이디 exponent 두기. 간좀 개원이. 제비 토픽 찍고 이거든요. 저는 개원 믹스 펜도 체. 좀 봤다. 안전에 개원도 막고 텐수 그 잘 제마 싸워지 내려. 라. 아주 두고들라. 마 데시멀 두기. 지나 데시멀 저는 뭐는 장사 말임 장사. 라. 제가 아주 두고 덤스 텐스에도 덤스 텐스에 숙제 도나친다 데시멀라. Yeah, and bye-bye.